How to share Workspace in ClickUp. First of all, open any of your preferred web browser. Then search for ClickUp and click on the first link that appears. Then you will land on the official website of ClickUp. Click on Sign Up or Login to log into your account. Once logged in, you will land to an interface like this. If it's your first time, then it will show additional slides. Once that is done, then you will land to the official website interface. In this interface, you can see various options around the screen. On the left side, under All Tasks section, you can see all your tasks. If you want to share your project, then click on the project and select the three-dot icon. At the very bottom, click on Sharing and Permissions. Now you can invite by name or email. Just type in the email address. Once you do that, then you can select the role of the person. It could be member, limited member, guest, admin, or custom role. Once you have selected that, click on Send Invite. The other person will receive your invite just like this. If they click on Accept Invite, then you will get a notification. That's all for today. Thank you.